Greetings, everybody. My name is Daniel Burton, the GNSA Vice President. First of all, congratulations on being accepted to the JSU Graduate Studies Program, whether it be an FNP, Acute Care Nurse Practitioner, or MSN to DNP. My job today is to tell you a little bit about GSNA. GSNA stands for Graduate Student Nursing Association. The GSNA provides high-value programs, services, and resources to graduate nursing students enrolled in master's and doctoral programs at AACN member schools. The GSNA is committed to supporting graduate studies, preparing for careers as faculty members, researchers, advanced practice registered nurses, clinical nurse leaders, policy experts, and healthcare administrators, among other roles. The GSNA meets to work the professional development needs of its members by offering leadership opportunities, such as being a liaison, which is just a representative of your cohort to tell us any concerns that you may have, being an officer like myself, or even going to the national level and being part of the GSNA Leadership Council, which is comprised of two members that rotate every 2 years. They keep everyone updated through webinar series and monthly GSNA bulletins. There are graduate nursing career networks. If you want to go down a specialty track, they help you get down the right road. Peer-to-peer networking, communicate with others like yourself in similar situations, policy engagement, and membership exclusive scholarships. Next, I'll be reading the mission, values, and vision of GSNA. Mission. As the collective voice of graduate students, the GSNA fosters collaboration, innovation, and excellence in academic nursing and healthcare. Vision. Graduate nursing students are future leaders in improving and transforming healthcare. Values. Leadership, diversity and inclusion, innovation, and engagement. Next, I'll be telling you a little bit about our chapter. So we typically meet once a month. It is the officers and regular members are welcome to join with most meetings. We usually talk about ways to engage the other students or recruit other students. We also talk about fundraisers. Like this past year, we talked about ideas and we got together and decided to do face masks, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, and some other things. We also have a Facebook page that we are looking for someone to run, and you don't have to be an officer to do that. And you can also help us come up with other fun ideas that might involve engagement without even being an officer. So we encourage you to participate. If you have any questions, please talk to Dr. Wormley or Dr. McGrath. They'll be happy to give you my contact information. And again, welcome to JSU Graduate Studies. Congratulations, and welcome to the friendliest campus in the South.